Hi guys, it's Ed with StipTrac. Just wanted to show you a quick little demo on how we get customers into the system. We do have multiple integration options, but today I wanted to show you if you had to manually do it, and it actually takes less than 30 seconds to do because you only need 4 pieces of information from the customer. First name, last name, cell phone number, and email. So let's dive right in. So we just sold a car at the dealership. We want to get them into StipTrac. First thing we're going to do is hit Create Deal. We're going to select the delivery date, which is just click Today. We're going to add our stock number, the amount financed. The year, make, and model is optional at this point. We can add that later. We're going to select the salesperson. The deal type, this basically picks out our stip, so we'll call this a secondary deal. The deal status is sales because we just sold it. So here's where we need the 4 pieces of information. We'll call him Randy McTesterson here. Cell phone number and an email. If you want to add the bank, you can. If you have the approval already, you know where you're sending it. That's great. You just start typing that in. Now see, here's our stip list. If we don't need a stip, we can just close it out. If we need to add a stip, we can just select this button, select the stip, add the deal, hit save, and the deal has been successfully created, and the customer just got the text invite to install their app to complete their to-do list. So that is actually how quick and easy it is to get a customer into the system. We'll have more tips and tricks coming out here. So my name is Ed, and I just wanted to show you how easy it was to actually get a deal into StipTrac. You guys have a great day.